What's up everybody, Professor Mike here, welcome back over to the channel. Today we have a quick video. Got my truck in the parking garage here because for those of you trying to get a truck and don't know how tall the parking garages are, today I'm going to do a quick test with the truck. So I'm in my school parking garage right now and I'm actually going to drive this truck just under the overpasses so you can see how close it is. Now this is stock height and I'll make a video on how tall the actual truck is and I'll actually measure it out. But this is stock height, and as you can see, when I drive under where these dangling exit signs are and the what's it called, do not enter sign, you will see like how close it is. So I'm actually going to be able, I'm going to put the camera down and then I'm going to drive and you're going to see how close it is to these parking garages. So like let's say you have a light bar or something on there, you may not be able to fit it. So let's go ahead and drive this under this and we'll see what it looks like. Isn't that kind of creepy, huh? Truck barely even fits. Stock height. Let's see. Alright, so as you guys saw in that clip, you're gonna take a look at this. How tall is my truck compared to the posts in the parking garage? Stock height. That's about, I don't know, 7 something. And here you go. There's a quick comparison of how tall the truck actually is at its stock form. So yes, if you do have a lifted truck, you are not fitting in here. It's just not gonna happen. Especially going over under these things where they hang down even lower. These do not enter signs. These things hang lower than the actual pillar itself, as you saw in the video. So, yeah. And so yeah, that is basically how tall the truck actually is in the parking garage. So if you had a lifted truck, honestly, it probably would, you probably scrape top of your roof. So if it was 8-foot garage, all day. 7-foot garage, no. So it's very, very close, and it's actually it's quite scary. As you can see, I think someone actually hit the top. See? So there's definitely been people that have scraped their trucks, top of their truck, from all that up there. Wow. See, I actually didn't even notice that. You can see people have definitely scraped their trucks up here. So if maybe you were thinking about lifting your truck and you live in a place where there's a parking garage that's 7 feet, I don't know, it's up to you. Yeah, if you want to take that risk and maybe like a 4-inch lift or like maybe a leveling kit, but a 6-inch lift or anything taller than a 6-inch or anything taller than a 4-inch lift, you're cutting it close. Luckily for me, I'm moving to a place where the parking garage is 8 feet tall, 8'4" or something like that. Totally fine. It'll clear all day, any day. It'd be like equivalent to that with my 6-inch lift, and then it'd have that much clearance. So all day, any day. But yeah, that's basically that, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a like and a comment down below. I get back to all my viewers. And yeah, I post new videos every single week. So like I said, subscribe and leave a comment. I get back to everybody. So, and that's basically it for the video. So we'll see y'all later. Peace. Let me just show you guys the view here while I'm on the parking garage. So this is my school basically. I'm in like one of the 10 parking garages. That is actually the basketball arena. the football stadium's way, way down there. This is a University of Central Florida, if you guys are wondering. But school just ended, and everybody's out of classes, so there is nobody in the parking garage, which is great, because usually these parking garages are filled to the max. Like, there are no spots ever, anywhere. So it's actually quite nice to see that I was able to film a video like this, because usually you can't even get in here, and if you do, it's traffic all day, every day. So here's a quick YouTube analytic of what we're looking at so far for our channel. And guys, this channel has been growing. As you can see, the past views have been climbing and climbing and climbing. As you can see, it has come a very, very long way since the beginning of the year. You can see it's climbing up. We've been gaining. We're at about 1,800, right? Last 48 hours, 1,800. The only thing is, guys, when I scroll here, 95% are not subscribed and only 4% are. So we need to go ahead and change that.